Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used the ColourPop Off Melrose palette. This is what the inside looks like. It is such a pretty palette. I really like it. I did do something a little bit graphic, not too graphic though. It's still pretty low-key. My daughter is standing right here watching me. She thinks I'm talking to someone specific, so I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you would like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so that was it. Thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy the video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see future videos that I will be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. But yeah, other than that, this is a great little palette. I do usually enjoy ColourPop. There's just some like hits and misses in there, but for the most part, I really like them. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.